Jones with poolwarehouse.com, and today we're looking at a spillover spa. Now, these spillover spas can be added to any of our in-ground pool kits, so if you're quoting a kit at poolwarehouse.com, talk to your rep about one of these spas. What I love about them is they're pre-plumbed with stainless steel jets, so it has 12 all the way around, which is perfect for 3 to 4 people hanging out. Now, they do have an option for 25 jets if you need it a little bit more. It also includes a cartridge filter and steps down into a deep footwell, so you can actually sit inside, have your feet down in there. And another great feature on these spillovers are you can use them in those colder months. You will need a cover and it won't actually spill over, so you'll drain that water down a little bit more, but we recommend setting these up on a separate pump, filter, even heater package if you want to use this as a standalone spa as well. If you have questions about adding a spillover spa to your pool kit, feel free to give us a call or visit poolwarehouse.com.